Hello, and just another update from me on the painting. So here are here's what I've been working on. I mean, I'm still doing DIY, so not going as fast as I normally do on the painting, but I'm getting stuff done. So here's what I've been been up to, and these are the 95th rifles. And these, if you remember, are the figures that I bought a couple of months ago now. So Sharpe and his men. So here's Sharpe. Still a bit more to do on him, but he's getting there. And I've got Fredrickson. So he's from the 60th rifles, but you know, on attachment, as it were. I think the 60th rifles were in America, well, when the Battle of Waterloo was going on. We've got Pat Harper. Again, a bit more work still to do on these. And here's the rest of the 95th. So we've got some of the characters in here. See if I can pull one or two of them out. I can't remember all of their names, unfortunately. I think that's the young lad, though. See, bit of work still to do. This would be Dan, I think. Who else have we got? This is just a generic rifleman. Another one of the characters. Again, can't remember his name. Ooh, out of focus as well. See if I can find Harris. I think that's Harris. Yeah, so that's the 95th rifles, and so that's kind of how I've been progressing with those guys. I've also been working on some Brunswicks. So I've got the command group done. Let me quickly grab an officer. So I started to do these just because they're a little bit different. So again, still work in progress. So a bit of tidying up required on those. Oops, if I don't knock everything everywhere. Here's one of the drummers. So nowhere near finished yet. Still a fair amount to do on these. Here's one of the Fusiliers. So there's the rest of the Brunswickers. So they're making a bit of a change from French or Hanoverians. I've still got them to do, but I just thought I'd just change to a different different nationalities, just for the time being. So that's what I've been doing. So, as I said, not as fast as I usually paint, because we're currently in the process of adjusting the house, as it were. But I am getting time to do things, painting-wise here. Just not as fast as I want to, really. But still, never mind. We're getting there. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw this back up onto YouTube and see what you guys thought. Bye for now.